Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the rambutan. Remove low branches and clear beneath to 1.52 meters so you have safe access. Once done, measure the canopy diameter and choose a net 20 to 30% larger than the crown so it drapes. Make sure the net has 5-10 mm mesh to exclude birds but allow airflow. Tie a light rope loop at the net center. This becomes your lift point. Now position a ladder or pole for the first lift and get ready to hoist. You lift the net from the center loop and fan it over the top so it settles uniformly. This prevents snagging and concentrates fruit inside. Once the net covers the canopy, pull the hem down on all sides evenly and walk around to find natural anchor points, trunk, stakes, or ground pegs. Use soft ties or twine every 50 to 70 centimeters to secure the hem. Make sure to leave 2 small vents opposite each other for pollinators and airflow. Check that no limbs are pinched under the net. You finish by trimming any internal catches, small twigs that press fruit into the net, and tie loose branches away from fabric to prevent rubbing. Once secured, inspect the net weekly. Repair small tears with a patch or heavy-duty zip ties and red-iron anchors after wind. If you notice fruit constantly contacting the net and causing blemishes, loosen the hem and retention so the net drapes with more slack over the cluster. This gives the fruit room and reduces damage. Keep records of fixes for next season.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.